Hi everyone, welcome to Bikini Design Club. On today's video, we will share how you can transform your swimsuit pattern life into a higher hip and less coverage swimsuit pattern. I have here my 3D so you can instantly see the changes that I'm going to make on my avatar. So let me just show you on my 2D window the changes that I'm going to make. And you will see instantly on this side. I'm only going to do this on one side so it will not be reflected on both of them. So I will start by removing my linked editing which I had activated. So the first thing we should do is match the side seams, and I'm going to match them. And as soon as we match them, we have to make sure that we have a smooth line between the front pattern and the back pattern piece. This option here is the lower hip, and Swimsuit Pattern Life includes 2 hip options already in the pattern. However, today I'm going to show you how to do it even with a higher hip and less coverage on your back. So I'm going to start by moving the front side seam, and I'm going to move it 6 centimeters upwards, and I'm going to repeat the same for my back. Once this is done, you can instantly see the difference here on the avatar compared to the other sides of the pattern. You can see here in the front a huge difference, and also in the back. Then I would smooth the curve here because this line from the front and the back here is not so smooth, and I want to reduce a little bit the back coverage, so I'm going to curve here, this line slightly, so that it is smoother the connection between the front and the back line. Then if I would go for a less coverage, probably I would also do a small bit of a alteration here. I would change this probably a centimeter, and this anchor point that I have here also like 0.5 centimeters, so that my front is also a little bit different here because I have changed it. And of course, if you change here, you also need to change the back. So I move this 1 centimeter, I'm gonna reduce it by 1 centimeter. And this is how it looks now with the changes that I've done. I think it's a very interesting way of simply modifying your swimsuit pattern, and I hope you girls like it, and I hope to see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Bye girls!